I attended a presentation last night. For those who don't know, I'm the chapter president currently of the NAPO, National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals of San Diego. And we had a great speaker come and talk to us about mental health and its relation to organizing and just how it translates into our physical space. Like she said, dealing with emotional things manifest in the physical space. And so I started thinking, I was like, I wonder if this happens in our digital life as well. And do these things come up? Like, and I started asking myself and thinking about our clients and people that we've worked with and myself included. And I realized that yes, there is just as much like blockage, challenges, emotions that come up that when we're working on digital stuff. So for example, what I do is I avoid it then. I just don't do it. And maybe you're like me, where we just avoid it because we don't want to deal with it because it brings up something in us. So like going through those documents, maybe even if they are digital format, it just brings up something, maybe a past divorce or just anything like that. And it just can bring up those emotions and it make us not want to do it. I know I've done that with my email and not wanting to go through my folders in my personal email. So there's a few folders that I need to reorganize and purge, and I've been not doing that because I don't want to relive some of the bad memories from that time period in my life. So I'm curious if you've ever experienced that with your digital life, not just your physical space, where you're just maybe some emotions get stirred up or brought up, or you avoid it straight up because of those emotions. I'd love to hear from you to see if you've experienced that as well. So DM me, or if you feel free, or if you feel comfortable enough, share it in the comments. I'd love to learn and see that we're not all in this alone, and this is a natural thing that happens. So I look forward to next time sharing anything I've learned and some tips and tricks.